Oh shit, where's the key? Woo! Alright, we're back on the Supermoto. This is like the second time I've ridden it. Well, I mean, it started off as a Supermoto. He's got the dirt wheels on it now, but still sits a little lower to the ground. It's got those big wide wheels, but he wanted to be able to take it on the trails. Tyler's got his CRF 450 RL. It looks like this guy's got one too. I just came off the RMZ 450, so this feels a lot different. Woohoo! Dual sport gang! A lot different. Oh my god. Yeah, we'll hold off on the jumps for now. Yeah, so other than this, the only time I've rode this one was in the trails for a little bit, and they were just flat, easy trails. Ain't no way we're doing this tabletop. Woo! Well, obviously I definitely like my KLX300 Dual Sport better on like a track like this. This one still can kind of do it, but it's even further off than mine is. Woo! Holy crap! Suspension feels good though for these for the like braking bumps and everything, but whoo, if you case the jump, it's too soft for all that. Ripping. Woo. Whoa. Where'd Tyler go? Did we lose him? So all in all though, this thing, I mean, you can rip it around the track. I feel like mine has more power, but that could just be because I just came off the RMZ 450, so could be why this thing's just feeling a little bit slow. But shoot, it'll do it. Oh, sorry, Eric. Oh, I think we're good. Ah! I might have to try that 450 RL out today too. I've never really rode that, honestly, up and down the street. Oh gosh, these big tires can be a little tricky in the ruts, but all in all, I can do it. Woo! So what do I think? I mean, I don't know, it'll do it, but that's about the extent of it. Whoa. Definitely doesn't do it great or even good, and hard to get a lot of power out for like hit certain jumps, but and the suspension too. But you can go around the track and rip and have a good time for sure. Just sent that jump. kind of tires does he got on here? Shinko E700. Yeah, it looks like E700 Shinko Trailmaster. I don't know. Not bad. Not bad. Let's do a little wheelie check on this KLX300 Supermoto before we call it a day. Okay, not bad. Let's see if we can get a little better. Oh yeah, she'll wheelie. Alright y'all, well just a quick little video, fun video. Maybe I'll get to try out that 450RL next, but yeah, trying the freaking KLX300 Supermoto on the track. I mean, how many people do that? But appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.